Hey, today I'm back with another wig haul video, and I already know my Snapchat friends gonna be like, "Bitch, you told us this video was coming like months ago, but here it is now, so don't hate me." If you want a full detailed video on how I lay my wigs, click the link above right here because I'm gonna just skirt right through these. Okay, so my homegirl gave me 5 cornrows and left out my edges, and I'm going to secure my wig cap on. I'm actually doing this on old, dirty hair. It was raining all week, and I didn't feel like washing my hair or dealing with this, so I just had her braid my hair down for me. And the first wig is the Outre Swiss Lace Liliana in a number 4. All of these wigs and the products I use will be linked in the description box, so check that out. So I'm going to start off by cutting the lace, and I'm going to cut it almost into the hairline. Like a little bit of the hair might come off, but that's just how close you need to cut it so that you don't want any of that lace part left out that doesn't have the hair attached to it. Now I'm going to put it on and turn it to the side for a deep part. Then I'm going to hook the combs and take some black edge control and just slick down my edges. So I'm using Eben or Eben's black edge control today, and honestly I do not like it. This black leaves a residue, like my hands were gray and low-key my forehead was too. And I also had to apply too much, and my hair just didn't blend as normal as it did before. In my last video I used the Cream of Nature's black edge gel and some Eco Styler, the olive oil one. And I know people love Even, but the hold was straight. I don't know. I didn't like it, and I like how the Cream of Nature and Eco Styler gel combo did. So I'll just stick to that from now on. But anyway, here is wig number 1. So next up is the Outre Swiss wig named Valentina in color 950. So same deal, gonna cut the lace up into the hairline super close, like trying to avoid cutting the actual hair part, but if I do, oh well, it'll be okay. And now I'm going to secure and blend. So just to answer some common questions, no, the clips do not break my hair off. They do not have to be dug into your roots or your scalp. It shouldn't feel uncomfortable. It shouldn't hurt. Just clip it like you're doing a bobby pin. Like if somebody snatches it and it's in your hair, they're going to pull out your hair anyway. So it's in there. It's not going anywhere. There's no need to overcompensate and dig it in. As far as nighttime, I do sleep in these overnight sometimes, but sometimes I just take it off. It's not a big deal. It's really up to you. You guys see that it doesn't take long to put on and take off. Alright, so wig number 3 is also Outre Swiss Lace, and this one is called Ariana, and it's in number 4 and 30. And the same steps, just going to cut the lace close, secure the clips, and blend the edges. So you guys, these wigs are cute, right? But they are cheap. So remember that when you're trying to maintain them. These wigs are not to be treated like human hair. There's no need to be sitting here combing away at them, deep conditioning and detangling and washing them and over manipulating them. So personally for me, I just go through and lightly finger comb these, and I mean like really lightly. I'm not going through section by section like I would my natural hair. I just finger coil the clumps around to maintain the curls, and when they start looking kind of dull, I just add some wig shine spray. I don't even know what brand it is. It's just whatever is sitting at the front of the store in a little bottle. Like that's it. This is not expensive hair, so it's not about to act like real hair would. So here is wig number 3, and that is the last one. So thank you guys so much for watching. Check out the description box for the link to all of these wigs as well as the edge control, even though I do not recommend it. But let me know which one of these wigs was your favorite, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave. Bye.